Hello students, welcome to geography class. I am your geography teacher. So students, in last lecture we have completed the exercise which is given below the first lesson, that is the earth and the graticle. In this video we are going to see some extra question answers of the first lesson which will help you to understand the lesson deeply. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct options from the brackets. First, a miniature model of the earth is called a dash. Ball, globe, sphere. Answer is, a miniature model of the earth is called a globe. Second, the location of any place on the earth is determined with the reference to the dash of the earth: poles, circle, center. Answer is, the location of any places on the earth is determined with the reference to the center of the earth. Third, the dash is considered as 0-degree parallel: equator, poles, circle. Answer is, the equator is considered as 0-degree parallel. Fourth, the dash bisects the earth into north and south parts. Options are poles, equator, circle. Answer is, the equator bisects the earth into north and south parts. Fifth, one can draw dash parallels on the earth at the interval of 1 degree. Options are 90, 181, 360. Answer, one can draw 181 parallels on the earth at the interval of 1 degree. 6. The 0-degree meridian is known as the dash. Options are the central meridian, equator, prime meridian. Answer is, the 0-degree meridian is known as the prime meridian. 7th, each degree is divided into 60 dash. Options are minutes, hours, seconds. Answer is, each degree is divided into 60 minutes. 8th, one can draw dash meridian each at a distance of 1 degree. Options are 90, 181, 360. Answer is, one can draw 360 meridian each at a distance of 1 degree. 9th, all meridians are dash in size: unequal, equal, uneven. Answer, all meridians are equal in size. 10th, exact location of the place on the earth can be located using dash. Options are equator, latitude and longitude, prime meridian. Answer is, exact location of a place on the earth can be located using latitude and longitude. 12th, the parallel and meridians on the globe form a net that is called dash. Options are latitude, graticle, longitude. Answer is, the parallel and the meridian on the globe form a net that is called graticle. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, what are parallels of latitudes? Answer, ellipses that are created at some angular distance from the center of the earth and are parallel to one another are called parallels of the latitude. Second, how many parallels are there in the northern hemisphere? Answer, there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere. Third, which semicircle divide the earth in the eastern and western hemisphere? Answer, the prime meridian divides the earth in the eastern and western hemisphere. Fourth, what is the distance between any two adjacent parallel on the surface of the earth? Answer, the distance between any two adjacent parallel on the surface of the earth is 111 kilometers. Fifth, what is graticle? Answer: the parallels and the meridians on the globe form a net that is called a graticle. Sixth, what is used to determine the location on the earth? Answer: latitude and longitude is used to determine the location on the earth. Question number 3. Write the full forms of GIS, Geographical Information System; GPS, Global Positioning System; IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System; ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Question number 4. Give geographical reasons for the following statements. 1. Parallels and meridians are imaginary lines on the earth. Answer: we cannot draw parallels and meridians practically on the actual earth's surface. Parallels and meridians can be drawn on the globe only. That is why parallels and meridians are imaginary lines on the earth. Second, geographers develop a miniature model of the earth in the form of a globe. Answer: oceanic waters, uneven nature of the land, forests, innumerable islands of different sizes, and buildings make it impossible to draw lines on the earth. In order to overcome this difficulty, geographers develop a miniature model of the earth in the form of a globe. Third, latitude and longitude are expressed into degree, minute, and seconds. Answer: to locate the places within the distance of 111 kilometers exactly, the unit degree is divided into smaller units. Degrees are divided into minutes and seconds. So students, this is your homework. Write down the given question and answers into your geography notebook. Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and do not forget to like the video. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.